mojito. Why it's called mojito when there is J into it? Who told you it's silent? It's like honesty. It's in the honesty H is silent. So in mojito also J is silent. Why J? I'll tell you from basics. I'll tell you why mojito. In mojito the J is silent. But J is not silent. The sound is coming of H. Mojito. Tell me why?
It's got from Russia.
No. Russians drink vodka. Mojito is sweet. Last thing. Language. Okay, tell me. What this brand is called?
Jose Cuervo, Mexico.
It's called Jose Cuervo.
Jose.
You are in third years. You have studied about sherry.
Yes, sir.
You know in sherry, what place in Spain the sherry is made?
Jerez.
Very good. Tell.
Jerez.
It's called Jerez.
Jerez.
It's called Jerez. No, it's called Jerez. It's called Jerez. It's written as Jerez, but in Spain it's called Jerez because anything in Spain with J they call it that. So Spanish people traveled from Spain to US where the Spanish ambassador made a drink called mojito. Then it says with J, but then J is silent because J is called as H. In Mexico also you will find a lot of tequila brands written with J, but they are pronounced as H. Brand like a famous tequila brand which is called Jose Cuervo. It is never pronounced as Jose. It is always pronounced as Jose. So this is the reason your mojito, in the mojito J is called as H. Okay, it's called mojito. How we make mojito? How we make mojito?
Chunks and additives.
Please start reading the recipe. Can we all make it together?
Yes.
Two of you can stand and you can mix. We'll be using the highball glass. We'll be using the weight. We'll be using some lime juice. We'll be using Bacardi white rum because originally when mojito was made, it was used. They used Caribbean rums because Bacardi comes from which? Cuba. Very good. Cuba is the home for Bacardi. Okay, so we'll be mixing some Bacardi and then I'll tell you how to muddle a cocktail, how to muddle a lime, how to muddle your mint, and then how can you modify these mojitos into future mojitos. It is your basic funda. How you make mojitos to your future mojitos. Okay? Can we start?
Yes, sir.
So you will take this glass. Why this is called highball? I have a habit of asking a lot of questions and a lot of basics also. Because this was the things when I joined industry, I was asking people, why this is called ice bucket? Why this is not called shoot any other bucket? Why this is called cocktail glass? Why this is called highball glass? Why this is called highball glass?
The base. The base. Length of the.
It's called high and it's a ball. The shape is basically ball shape. In the marketer glass also you have two bowls or balls. This is the reason it's called high ball. Okay, you have a glass called Collins. Why it's called Collins? It looked like highball. Why it's called Collins? Because classically Tom Collins is the cocktail which used to be served in a Collins glass. There is another cocktail called John Collins. You heard Tom Collins and John Collins? Tom Collins is made with
Gin.
very good gin and lime cordial. And John Collins, gin get replaced with whiskey. Okay, so this is the reason Collins glass specifically served Collins into it. And Collins is the style of drink. This is a narrow and tall glass served with some gin and cordial. So all your recipes you will find it simple. Proceed.